Hello, this is Sean Pak. I'll be your math instructor. Okay, let me explain how you can work with Moodle. So first of all, you have to log into Moodle. So enter your username and the password. Okay, let me log into my Moodle. Okay, this is an instructor's view. So your view may be a little bit different from this one. So now, once you log into the Moodle, you have to select the course. In this case, Math 132 Online 01 or 02. Okay, the course, you have to select your course. Once you select this one, you will be prompted to enter the enrollment key. Okay, the enrollment key will be sent to you to your email. So check your email. You will have the enrollment key. So enter the enrollment key, then you can get into this Moodle. So this is our course. This is the template of our course. And as you see this, there are some categories like this, like menus or categories. So from this one, your student view is a little bit different from mine because you will not see this category, essay category. So just ignore this part. Okay, from this one, the introduction page. From this introduction page, you have to read thoroughly everything. And this one explains what you have to do in this course. So let me just go over this introduction and each part of these categories. Okay, first of all, I have my website. You can go to my website. This is my website link. So let me click this. Then it will open up my website. Okay, there are some course menus here. So we are in Math 132. So from this Math 132, there are some menus over here. So first of all, you have to download your syllabus. So click this syllabus, then it will be this guy. So if you scroll down a little bit, then there is a syllabus menu. So click this syllabus. This syllabus explains what this course is about. This is PDF file. So you can read it, this part. And this is the table for this grading scale. Okay, our course is based on 100 points, 1,000 points. So the total points you can get is 1,000. So out of this 1,000, if your score is more than 900, then you will get an A. 800 to below 900 is B. 700 to below 800 is D. C. And 600 to below 70 is D. And below 600 will be an F. So keep track of your scores, your points. So in order to pass this course, you have to get at least C, which means you have to get at least 700 points out of 1,000. And these are categorized by this. So our course is composed of tests, chapter homework, review homework, online quizzes, and final exam. Okay, so let me go down a little bit. Let me go to the last page. So please read this slowly and understand what our categories are. And if you go to the last page, the last page is really important. Okay, as I just mentioned, we have the grading scales over here in this table. There will be 4 tests. Each test is worth 100 points. So it will take 400 points, which is 40%. And then there are 2 types of homework. One is chapter homework. Okay, chapter homework. Okay, for each chapter, if you scroll down, this is the chapter homework. Chapter 2, 3, 4, 5, all the way up to 8. And these are the sections, 2.1, 2.2, 2.3. And these are the problem numbers, the questions that you have to complete. For chapter 2 is composed of 5 sections, and each section has problem numbers, and these numbers are the ones you have to complete. And you don't have to do all these numbers. What you have to do is do every other odd numbers. Every other odd numbers. So every other odd number means starting from number 1, skip next odd number and do the next odd number. So what we do is starting from 1 and then 4, okay, add 4 to the previous number. Then this will be the problem numbers, 1, 5, 9, 13, 17, and so on. So add 4 to the previous number. That will be your numbers to complete this, all the way up to 49. This one is 1 to 53 and 83. And next one is 1 to 45. Okay, if there is all odd numbers, then you have to do everything. All the odd numbers, not the every other odd numbers. Okay, if it mentions that all odd numbers, you have to do all the odd number problems. Okay, these are the chapter homework. And the review homework. Okay, review homework is, it's only one review homework. This is for the final exam. Okay, that is 26 points, final exam. So if we go to the model, you can, let me go to my website. Okay, so you can see here, you can download the review example. So where's the review example? Test, files for the test. Okay, it should be here. Okay, in the test sample category, here's the review example. I posted twice. So one of them, you can use any one of this. So here, okay, test files for the test samples. Then you will see the first one, the last one, which is the review example files. Okay, these are the numbers. There are a bunch of questions. There are, okay, I think 90 questions. Okay, there are 90 questions. So this will be given in the beginning of the semester. So make sure, once you complete each chapter, make sure to complete this, because there are 90 questions. It takes a lot of time. If you do it, if you try this at once, it takes a lot of time. So as time passes, as day passes, or complete each chapter, make sure to complete questions based on the chapters you covered. So complete these 90 questions and mark the answers in the answer sheet. And what you have to do is, you don't have to turn this in. What you have to do is mark the answer in Moodle. So go to the Moodle. Okay, let me explain this part. Okay, for this homework. Go to the homework category. The homework category, you can scroll down. Then this should have here. Okay, review samples for the final exam. And then, do this quiz. And what you do is, you have to mark the answer according to all the questions, 90 questions. And this is due on Saturday, August 1st. So actually, okay, I'm gonna use this video for every semester, so the date will be different. So always refer to this date, the due date. So in this case, this for this summer semester. Okay, make sure you turn this review samples. Okay, mark the answers on Saturday. This is the due date, August 1st. Okay, and let's go to the other part, another part. Okay, that's for the review homework. Okay, and then online quiz. The online quiz. Okay, online quiz is, each section is worth 6 points. Online quiz, each section. Okay, there are 42 sections. There are eight chapters, actually 7 chapters, and then there are 42 sections, and I will use the last 2 sections as an extra credit. Last 2 sections is for the extra credit. So from the first section to the 40th sections, you will get 200 points. Each section is 6 points worth. Alright, so the online quizzes, what you do is, for the online quiz, okay, in this, go to the online quizzes category. This is due every Saturday. Every Saturday, so click this, then you will see each chapter, each section. Chapter 2.1, 2.2, 2.3. The next is the number of questions. And this part, okay, this part is the due date. So this is June 27th, June 27th, June 27th, and June 27th. And the chapter 3 is July 4th, July 4th, July 4th, and so on. So make sure you complete this online quiz by the due date. This is open every week. So as soon as you study each section, I strongly recommend to do the section every day. So here, okay, you are strongly recommend to complete each section, at least 1 or 2 sections every day. Don't wait until the due date. It's gonna take a lot of time to complete this. So study every day. Once you complete each section every day, do this online quiz every day. Okay, that's how the online quiz works. And the final exam. Okay, final exam is 250 points. Okay, the final exam is, okay, you will be posted in also here in the test. I didn't make it yet. Also the test will be here. Okay, test and the final exams will be in this category. So please click the test category and then complete the test, do the tests on Sunday. Okay, the test will be on Sunday, and the test is it's a 1 hour test, and you have only 1 attempt. Okay, 1 attempt with 1 hour. You can do it at any time on Sunday, and it will be closed on Sunday midnight. So make sure to complete as early as possible. Okay, so I explained almost everything about this, and then there are extra points. Okay, extra point is this. There will be 4 test samples. Okay, test samples. Okay, we will have 4 tests. Okay, this is the lecture schedule. Okay, the test will be, okay, if you see on Sunday. Okay, June 28th, we will have the first test. The test covers chapter 1 and chapter 2. Chapter 1 is just an algebra thing, so we will not cover chapter 1. But the test will include chapter 1 and 2. And the second test will be chapter 3 and 4 in July 12th. So this is the second test. And the third test is the third test covers chapter 5 and 6, which is July 19th. And the last test will be 7 and 8, chapter 7 and 8 on August 2nd. Okay, these are all on Sundays. And final exam will be probably Monday or Tuesday. I don't know. It will be announced. Probably will be on Monday. Okay, I will explain the final exam later this semester. Alright, and then okay, this is the lecture schedule. So on Monday, you have to complete chapter 2.1, okay, study 2.1. Once you complete this, I strongly recommend to do your homework. Okay, do the homework, and then complete the online quiz as soon as you complete this. Don't wait until Saturday. It takes a lot of time again. It takes a lot of time. And then Tuesdays, make sure to complete chapter 2.2. And every day you have to complete 1 section or 2 sections. How about this Monday? Okay, you have to complete 3.2 and 3.3. Okay, 2 sections. There are 1 or 2 sections, every day. 1 or 2 sections. There are 2 sections. Some has 2 sections like this. So make sure do study every day. Then how do you study every day? Okay, in this one, here's the lecture video. Okay, go to the lecture video, and this one has all the video lectures. So for section 2.1, click this link. This is YouTube. So you will open a video in YouTube, and then each section is about
Chapter 2.1 is
less than 1 hour.
Equations, solving linear equations.
Okay,
when you solve linear equations,
just
you
read,
have to collect all
watch
the
this
extras.
video and get some concepts, or you can read your textbook. You don't have to watch this if you read and understand the textbook. But if you have hard time to understand, then this video may help you a lot. Okay, so this is videos. So there are all the videos in each section, and some video is very short, some video is long, like 1 hour, or sometimes it's 20 minutes or 10 minutes. It's all different between the difficulty levels of each sections. And chapter 7, chapter 7, 7.6, this one takes a lot of time. So I divided into many different videos. Okay, so please make sure to refer to these lecture videos, or you can find these videos in my website as well. Okay, go to the website. We have a bunch of informations. Okay, this is for the homework. Okay, for the homework, I posted the answers to the homework, solutions. So when you do your homework, if you have questions, then you can open up these solutions. Then you can refer to the answers. This one shows all the work. It shows all works. And some questions have wrong answers. So if it has wrong answer, just ignore. So make sure if you find it is wrong, then that's good. You know what to do. So please refer to these solutions to the homework. And then what we have is, we have more information. Here it is. Okay, this is a lecture PowerPoint files provided by the textbook. So download this. This is a zip file. So uncompress, unzip this file, and then it will give you the lecture information, the textbook informations, all the lectures in PowerPoint. And then also for each test, test samples. Test samples is this. The last one. This is one of the extra points. Test samples. Test samples. There will be 4 tests, and for each test, there is a test sample homework, which is 5 points worth, and this is extra points. This means for chapter 1 and 2, for the first test, which covers chapter 1 and 2, there are some 20 questions, and then if you show your work and answers, write it down. For each question, write down the answers and the work and answers, and then take a picture. Take a picture using Cam Scanner. Cam Scanner is an application. It's very useful. It's very convenient. So use a Cam Scanner. Download using your Play Store. Download Cam Scanner application, and using that application, take a picture. Take a picture of your work and answer, and then save it in PDF file, and then upload it on Moodle. So I gave you the answer. These are the answers to the questions. What you have to do is show your work and make sure the answer is correct. And once you are done, take a picture, save it in a PDF file, and then post it on the homework part. Okay, go to the homework. Probably, I didn't post it, so, okay, is it maybe in the test samples? I'm sorry, I'm confused. Yes, it's over here. Okay, test samples. So go to the test samples category. This is due on Saturday and an extra credit. So scroll down, post your PDF file here. And there are due dates. Due date is Saturday actually. Also you can download these files from here. And then also I posted the videos that explains the test samples. So if you don't understand or you don't know how to solve the questions, refer to this video as well. And these are the solutions to the test samples. Okay, and then let's check another one. Okay, online quiz. Okay, the last two sections of the online quiz is an extra point. Okay, I mentioned this one. Okay, so there will be no makeup at all. So if you miss online quiz, homework, bell quiz, everything, then you will not get a credit. So please make sure to complete all your work by the due date. Okay, for the test. Okay, if you want to make up, you have to let me know before the test day. So we have to rearrange the test so that I can give you a makeup. Otherwise, there will be no makeup given. And also, if you have a makeup, there will be a 10% penalty. So test is 100 points. If you decide to get a makeup, and then we both agree to have a makeup, then there will be a 10% deduction. All right, and then here, there is no rounding up. So if your score is 900 points, that is an A. 900 is A, but 899 is a B. 899 points is a B. So it will be 89.9% actually. Then it will be your grade will be B. So it's not rounding up. So make sure your score has to be above 90, above 80. Okay, and then it's important that our grading scores based on these points. Sometimes we will refer to the percent. Okay, percent. So actually 900 is 90%. Okay, 90%. So make sure if your score is 90% or more, you will get an A. 80% or more, you will get a B. All right. So this is mostly, I think I'm done mostly. Okay, so the last page of this syllabus is really important. It shows everything related to your grading scales, the lecture schedule, and the homework information. All right, so log into Moodle. Your enrollment key will be provided via email. And then once you're done, please check each one of these categories. And then I posted the due date. The online quiz is on Saturday. So mostly all the homework is due on Saturday. And test is on Sunday. And there are some extra credits. So I put extra credits on the title. So test samples, bulk quizzes. Okay, for the bulk quizzes, there are starting from chapter 2 all the way up to 8. So once you complete chapter 1, each chapter, you can complete this bulk quiz on on Saturday. So these are the due date. So our test is on Sunday, and all your work for the test will be due on Saturday. So please keep track of your homework, and then make sure that this is the lecture schedule. Keep track of the lecture schedule. The red color is the homework, everything, the work that is due on Saturday. Okay, due on Saturday, this one. So very important. HW is the homework, OQ is online quiz, BQ is the back quiz. Okay, online quiz, I strongly recommend homework and online quiz to be done every day, every day. And back quiz, you can do it on Saturday because there's only one, the back quiz is for each chapter. So for the back quiz, you have to do it on Saturday only, but online quiz, again, online quiz and homework should be done every day, okay, every day. Okay, test sample will be due right before the test day. Right before the test day, then the test sample will be due. The due date for the test sample is Saturday, right before the test day. And the review samples for the final exam is Saturday, which is the last week of the instruction. All right, I think I'm done. So, okay, if you have any questions, okay, where's my still, okay. If you have any questions, you can send me an email. This is my email address. So please send me an email, or you can call me. This is my cell phone. It's okay as long as it's not too late. You can call me or you can send me an email. The email is better because I can check the email every day. All right. So this is the motto. The motto. All right. Hope you do well and succeed. Okay, thank you.